Hello everybody. Alright, today I'm gonna show you my first ever office. Well, actually I've turned my bedroom into my first ever office, and as we know, that first ever thing is always special, and I'm extremely grateful that God has given me this incredible thing. So let's go. But before I show you, please excuse me, because my bedroom is quite messy, and you would agree that the boys' bedrooms are messy most of the time. Here we go. Let's go. So first of all, let me show you something messy. Of course not. So here we go. You can see this is the parda in background I have just put today only, and this is how my office looks like. Let me show you properly. This is my lappy, my ring light, okay? And hold on. Let's go. I was about to fall. It's okay. Okay, so and this beautiful background, the greenery. I love nature, that's why I bought this special color, and it will help me a lot to make videos in a much better way. So here we go. This is my selfie stick that I use, my laptop I've already shown you, and my ring light that I always wanted to buy when I was in the village, but finally I got here. And something really special, my all-time favorite book, my best friend, my everything, the Bhagavad Gita, a book that has changed my life completely. So let me show you some effect of the ring light. Let me turn it off. See the quality. Now here we go. It's incredible, isn't it? So guys, yeah, the first ever office, it is always special, and I will always say that I started my first ever office from my bedroom, and I promise that very soon I'm gonna have a bigger office with a lot of great people working with me and creating huge things for people, for my community, and I promise it's gonna happen very soon. I'm working really harder and can't wait to see those things, and I'm on the money, to be honest. I'm right on the money. I'm extremely grateful again for God, for everything that He's given to me, and keep hustling, keep working harder. I'm gonna achieve a lot of my dreams from this office only, I promise, and you will see this very soon. Thank you very much guys. Keep supporting, keep loving. Thank you so very much, and take care.